Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscription button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So in today's video, we are going to be doing some swatches and a design with some Modelones gel polish. This collection is called Retro Lady and it comes with 6 gel polishes. Here are the bottles, and I will leave the link for this collection in the description box below. I purchased this off Amazon, so I will leave that link for you guys in the description below. So just comparing the bottle size, it's the same size as the wooden capped bottles, and these colors don't have names. They are numbered, so the numbers are from 13 through 18. And again, this is the Retro Lady collection. They did come out with a few collections. A lot of their collections are nude polish based. So I would kind of say that most of these are nudish or nude colors. The first one, number 13, is a light blue, and it does have some gray undertones. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm showing you the swatches of me doing 2 coats, and then I'll show you how each polish looks with the shiny top coat and the matte top coat. And the reason real quick. So this is how I organize my videos. As I'm recording and swatching, I do take notes about the colors or whatever, and then figure out the title of my video, and then on the side I have what hashtags I want to use, and then as I'm editing I do write down what video cards I want to link, and then I also make a list of the products I use. So I find that helps me be consistent with the description box, my hashtags, and stuff like that. So just a quick little note if you wanted to see how I figure out what to say and what to add in my links and such. So this one is number 14, and this is kind of it's a light blue, but it has more of a green undertones. I would still say it is blue over green, and I'll put it side by side with the first one, the color number 13, which was a light blue as well, because separately it kind of looks like I'm swatching the same one, but I'm not. So I'll show those two side by side for you. And again, on this one I'm gonna do the matte and the shiny coat. So that's the first two side by side. So you can see this one does have more green undertones. So what I was saying about why I've been swatching colors matte, I think nudes look really, really good in matte. And I never do my nails in matte, so I'm hoping to get inspired and to wear some matte nails. I really, really love a shiny nail. So I'm just, hopefully one day I'll end up doing my nails matte. So this color, number 15, is like a taupe color, I guess. You guys know I'm not good with describing colors. And what I have on my nails is some Beetles gel polish, which I will link that video in the cards above. And later in this video, what I'm going to do is remove that color because I really didn't love how that design came out. I'm going to remove the color and fix some of the shaping on the nails, and then use some of this Retro Lady collection. This color is number 16. It's like a peachy tan color, and you can see how easy it is to apply the polishes. These are thicker. This collection, all of these polishes are thicker, and you can pretty much get away with one coat. I almost said quote. You can get away with one coat of these polishes. However, I did 2. I don't know if it's out of habit or what, but I did do 2 coats on the swatches and on myself as well. So this color, number 17, it's kind of like a rosy purplish mauve color. And the last one is kind of like a nude maroon color. So this is number 17, and the one I'm going to do next is a number 18. But I do have a lot of Modelones polishes. They're affordable, they apply, they're long lasting. I don't get a lot of chipping, or I don't get any chipping at all with my gel polish, to be honest. Sometimes I do the protein bond before I apply it, and sometimes I don't. Either way, I don't get chipping with my gel polish. Not a lot. It's once in a while. But as I was saying, this polish is affordable. These collections are affordable. They did come out with a bunch of new collections. And here is all of the colors and the bottles with the matte and shiny coat. And I am going to do a color change on my nails. So I've already removed the color off both hands, and I just went in my drawer and picked out some gold accessories. I'm not really sure what I want to do, so I'm going to leave those off to the side while I'm painting my nails. I'm doing 2 coats of the number 18 and 17, so I'm going to do 2 nails in the 17, the rosy color, and 3 colors in the maroon. As I paint, because I'm not the neatest painter, and you don't have to be, what I have is a flat brush, a flat liner brush, and a little bit of alcohol. So I just go around my sidewalls and my cuticles. And I find it when I'm using a thicker polish, for me, I do have a harder time not getting the polish on my cuticles and sidewalls. But just make sure you clean it up before you cure it. That's the thing. So you just want to use a little bit of alcohol. You don't want to flood your cuticles or sidewalls with the alcohol either. So just dab off your brush and then just clean up your cuticles and sidewalls. So I'm going in with 2 coats of each color on this polish. I'm only showing you one hand, but I am applying 2 coats of each on these nails. so that is with 2 coats, and I am breaking up this gold foil or leaf foil. I don't know the proper term, the proper name for it. And I should have done this before, but I really didn't know what I was going to do. So I'm just going to add a couple accent nails, just put the foil on, and it's right into the tacky layer of the second coat of gel polish. You don't need anything special to apply these foils. It sticks to anything. As you can see throughout the video, some of it gets stick to my actual nail. It gets stick to the rhinestone picker upper tool I'm using. So you do not need to use anything but the tacky layer of whatever polish you use. If you wanted to add something to it here, you can, but again, you do not have to with these foils. They stick to everything. And so I'm just gonna let you watch me apply the foils, and I hope you guys liked me leaving in the clip of how I do my notes for my videos, like as I'm recording or whatever. What else did I want to mention? I really don't have anything else to mention. I'm going to show you pictures of both hands done. I only did one hand on camera, and I did one hand at a time for recording purposes. Also, I like to do one hand at a time because I always end up getting lint in the other hand. And ignore my thumb. That is my thumb. That sidewall is so extremely dry, and I do use cuticle oil twice a day. My hands are always so dry in the wintertime, and always so dry when I'm recording after I've been, you know, brushing off the dust with alcohol and such. But anyways, I do use a lot of cuticle oil. Anyways, guys, I do hope you like the video. I hope you like this collection. Again, I'll leave the link down for you below. In the comments, let me know what videos you guys want to see next. I've done a couple gel polish swatches and design videos. I know it's been a while since I've done dip powder, but you guys have been asking to see me work more on my nails, so that's what I've been giving you. But yeah, just continue to let me know what you guys think. Continue to let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below. I do appreciate you watching my videos. Definitely appreciate you spending your time with me. And please make sure you have liked the video and that you are subscribed to my channel. And if you don't want to miss a video, please make sure you have the notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching.